we can easily create our own blocks in Dibac Professional. It's recommended to draw the geometry of the future block with the block line color. This way, I will be able to choose any other color line when importing the block. However, if I use other color to draw the geometry, the block will only be displayed with that color and I won't be able to change it. After designing the geometry with the drawing functions of the program, I can create the deletion area. This area will hide any object or entity under the block when it's placed in the drawing. The deletion area is a solid color hatch, so I click on the hatch function and select solid color. I'm going to create this hatch using the point-by-point method. Now I have to change the hatch color to the preset color 71. This is the color assigned to the deletion area by default. Now I disable the orthogonality to set the points of the hatch and start clicking on the corners to define the contour of the geometry. Once I finish, I have to click again on the first point and then right click to confirm the area and display the hatch. The hatch is created on top of the geometry. If I want to visualize how the hatch fits the geometry, I have to select the hatch, go to Utilities and click on Send to Back. Note that the deletion area is not a compulsory step to create the blocks. If you decide not to create it, the fill of the block will be transparent and you will be able to see whatever is beneath the block.